Are you still manually checking for your leads received through form and afterwards you are manually sending each of your leads messages? Then you are totally wasting your time. So right here I'm going to show you an amazing automation which will instantly send WhatsApp messages to your leads as soon as they will fill the form. So here I have filled my Google form having the user's first name test, last name user, email, phone number and the message or the query. Now let's submit this form and see the instant change. So here as I have submitted my form, an instant WhatsApp message is sent to my lead. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to check for it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message consisting the same name of the user which has just filled the form. So you can see this amazing automation which is instantly sending WhatsApp messages to my leads. So you can also create this automation for your business by just using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool that helps your business to integrate varieties of applications. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate thousands of your business applications and automate your entire business task. And for creating these automations, you don't require any coding or technical skills. So now let me show you how to use this amazing automation tool for automating your entire business task. So let's move on towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by tapping its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And here we are on the landing page of Pabbly where you will be getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial, so you can try this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. And for that you don't have to pay any price. And after trying Pabbly Connect, if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product or Pabbly Connect, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which will help you to get a huge discounts while purchasing yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. And now let's move on towards my workflow page where it is asking me to select the trigger application. So right here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Forms, as I want to initiate my this workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Google Forms. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new response received and click over this connect button. And right here we are getting this webhook URL, which will help us to build a connection between the Pabbly Connect and the particular form through which I want to receive my new leads. So that as soon as someone will fill the form, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And afterwards, we are going to automate the process and going to send WhatsApp message to that particular lead. So here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Now let's move on towards my form. So right here I'm on my Google form named as users form, where you just have to go towards the responses, and here we are getting this option for view in sheets or link to sheets, which you have to select. And here we are on the Google Sheet, which is the native integration of your Google form. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect webhook. So here I'm going to search for it, and right here we are getting this app which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions. And here we are getting this option for Pabbly Connect webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup to get the initial setup dialog box, where we are going to add the webhook URL which we have just received from the Pabbly Connect, and now it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So trigger column is the last data column of your Google Sheet. So here you can see that the last data column is F, that is for the message or the query. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as F, and now let's click over the submit button. And here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now one important task is remaining, that is sending the test data to the Pabbly Connect. As you can see, it is waiting for the webhook response. So for that, we firstly have to fill our Google form to receive a new entry. So here I'm going to copy the link of my Google form, paste over the new tab, and going to get my form which I'm going to fill again. So here I have filled this form providing the first name, last name, email, phone number and the message of my user. Now let's submit this form, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted, and here on my Google Sheet I'm successfully receiving the data. Now as we are having the data, we just have to click over the send test and send this test data to the Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect to check for this data. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see we have just received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our Google form. So now we are having the data of our lead, and by using this data we are going to send personalized WhatsApp messages to our users. But before that, you have to perform one more task over the Google Sheet connected with your Google form. That is, you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event, so that you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch the data as soon as a new entry is made over your Google Sheet. So here you can see that the send on event has been enabled successfully. Now let's send a WhatsApp message to our demo user. So for that, I'm going to use my action application as Pabbly Chat Flow, which is an amazing application provided by Pabbly that help you to send WhatsApp messages to your leads. And by using this application, you can also create WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistant, which will automate your entire WhatsApp conversations. So now let's move on towards my all Pabbly apps page, where you can see that we are getting this application, which is really helpful for sending WhatsApp messages. So I'm going to just click over this Access Now button, and here we have to select the app event. So here I'm going to select the app event as send text message and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to enter the token. So here you can see that as I have clicked over the Access Now, I'm landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chat Flow, where I have already added my WhatsApp number. And now for getting the token, you have to move towards the settings, where you will see this option of API and webhooks, which you have to select. And right here we are getting our Pabbly Chat Flow API token, which you have to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect. And right here I already have my token which I have entered. Now let's click over the save button, and here you can see that the connection has been built in so smoothly. And here we are getting this option for entering the recipient WhatsApp mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type the mobile number of my recipient like this. But no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my user's mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from Google Forms, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and press this slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application, that is Google Forms. So from its response, I'm going to map the phone number of my lead. And now it is asking me to enter the WhatsApp message which I want to send to my user. So now let's enter it. So this is the WhatsApp message which I'm going to send to my user. And here after this word hi, I'm going to enter the name of my lead. So now again we have to perform the method, that is mapping. So here I'm going to use the response of my Google Form. So here I'm getting the first name which I have mapped, provided the space, and now let's map the last name of my user. So here I have mapped it, and now these fields are dynamic, which will be replaced as the new form submission will be received over the Google Form. And now we are getting this next field where you can map the contact full name. And here for this field, that is WhatsApp mobile number, I'm going to replace this mobile number with my phone number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving, as this was just a dummy number. So here I'm going to enter my mobile number. So here I have entered it. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which says that the message is sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to check out the WhatsApp message which we have received. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message which says hi demo user, and right here we are getting the same name of the user which has just filled our Google form. So you can see that how easily I have integrated my Google form with WhatsApp, and I'm automatically sending WhatsApp messages to my users. So now you can also create this automation by using an automation tool, Pabbly Connect, which will help your business to automatically connect with your customers instantly as they reach out to your business. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT, which will provide you the heaviest discount for buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.